Hello everyone. Now here again what are we up to? You have to get the cuts like this using these slices and all, and further with the help of this knife you have to make these beautiful patterns in this way further. And now here you have to get the cuts and then just make these beautiful patterns in this manner. Further, let's see here you have to get the cuts used on over a cucumber like this and then arrange them up in this pattern and layer. Now here with the help of these knives you have to make the cuts like this and get them arranged in this form and in this layer. This is gonna look interesting. Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to get the cuts on the top and then get them beautifully secured in this manner. With the help of the knives you have to get from the top and then make it in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely amazing. You have to get the thin slices in this way and then arrange them up in this pattern. Further here you have to just roll them up in this way, get the sticks inside, and yes, this is gonna look absolutely pretty. You have to secure them up in a pattern like this. Isn't it gonna look super amazing and beautiful? And just secure them up using these thin sticks and all. I hope guys you've enjoyed watching our video.